Hey everyone, welcome back to another Mountain Standard Time episode. Today's episode is focusing on spring riding and what it looks like at a poplar sledding area. Today we are at Frisby Ridge. You may notice the power lines behind me, and it doesn't look like there should be any snow down here because it's all green. It's plus 21 already and it's only 10 a.m. But there's snow up at the top of the mountains, and we should be seeing snow at about 1,700 meters. So we're gonna go up there and check it out. Let's go. Spring riding means driving up the logging roads quite a ways. They can be pretty rough. First signs of snow here at 1,100 meters. Well, here we are. We were able to get to 1,200 meters, but there's too much snow in this dip here to drive the trucks through, so hopefully there's not too many dirt patches to ride on the snowmobile. The rest of the group is coming up right here, trailer with 3 sleds on it. Not the greatest to trailer during spring riding, just because it is kind of annoying to turn around or blast through snowbanks, and getting stuck with a trailer really sucks, but it works good for bringing more than 2 sleds, I guess. Really nice getting dressed on the deck. Use these 509 long socks in the spring, and I don't even wear long johns underneath. I just got my boxers, little ice cream boxers. Keeps you a lot cooler. And then these, they're almost like a moto style boot with a little bit better ankle support. Wear those in the springtime as well. They're not as insulated though, so they can get colder in the winter if you're wearing them. Mobius knee braces as well. I wear them throughout the entire winter, and especially in the spring, because when you put your foot into the snow and you're pivoting and stuff, I really like to have support for my knee. Knee injuries do not look like they're fun at all, especially in the backcountry. Having to get out with a knee injury and then having to deal with it after the fact. It's way easier to just mitigate it by wearing knee braces right from the get-go. Keep the slushy snow out. And a springtime trick that I do is I unzip the leg like that for going up the trail, and then it has really good airflow. And of course, zip it back up when you get up higher, so then you're not getting slushy snow down into your boot and soaking your feet. I do like to wear proper snow pants spring riding, because they do help you stay a lot drier. I also like to wear a thin long sleeve because I wear a chest protector as well and don't like the chafing. Plus you can roll up the sleeves, get some sun. Avalanches aren't a big concern in springtime, but wear the beacon and all the proper gear anyways. Riding a 2025 Summit Edge Adrenaline. It was originally a 165, and I shortened it to a 154 with 2.4-inch lugs for springtime riding. We got Cody, Joel, Cody's son Charlie, and Marty. Let's go see how much dirt we gotta ride. Yeah, a little bit. You definitely want metal on the bottom of your skis for this. So don't let your carbides wear down too much. We'll have a closer look at Cody's skis, and you can see why that's important. Putting the sled on its edge a little bit, get some snow on the skid. We're at about 9 kilometers here, and there's lots of snow on the trail. I doubt we'll run into any dirt patches now. Really cool looking across and seeing how the snow line is like even with us here. We have the Revelstoke Dam down there, Revelstoke there, and the whole valley towards Arrow Lakes. The gates here give you an idea of how much snow there still is.
This is way better than Boulder.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, there's a jump shovel for you.
Yeah, it's a little aggressive for, that's probably the cabin shovel.
Must be, that's weird. I'll just stick it in the snow for now, bud.
Little water cross. It'd be kind of fun if it was more water. But
probably by next weekend it'll be open right along there.
probably.
Be able to come down out of the trees and skin the whole thing.
So I was saying how important it is to make sure you have metal when you're spring riding. And this is why, because that's what it's kind of supposed to look like. That one's wrecked too. But this one has like no keel left. Classic Cody though.
I like being an example of what not to do.
Yeah, time for some new skis.
What a beauty day.
Yeah.
There's not more people up here.
Yeah. I mean, it's summertime for most people.
Yeah, but
They're not interested in the snow anymore.
yeah, the snowmobiling's the best thing ever.
I agree.
Especially when it's like this.
Yeah. The 3 jumps are still kind of there.
Really?
Yeah. They're down over on this side of the hill.
Oh.
So we could go over there and check that out.
Sure.
Back to the 3 original jumps here from earlier on in the year. Still looking pretty decent. Landing is still pretty good, I'd say. This is the big one. It's not looking very big anymore. Yeah, blow right through it. That's hilarious. Try the medium one. Yeah, they're a little mushy. So that jump there, before like the sun got it and it snowed more and stuff, it was probably like 8 or 9 feet too high.
No way.
Yeah, and we were jumping from there. We made it like really steep too. Jumping way up and then landing way down on the down
No
slope.
way.
Yeah.
No thanks.
It was a really fun one.
I don't think that's fun.
It was this little mound, or like he's probably fine going off of that.
Oh yeah, that's about how big the one was yesterday.
Yeah. You gonna give this one a try?
Probably.
Yeah? Sweet.
We'll go burn gas. BC gas doesn't store over the summer.
The skis get stuck.
I remember with the old metal skis,
Yeah.
that used to be a huge problem. And then when you broke them free, a chunk of snow like this big would come with them.
That's funny.
I didn't think you would hit that.
He is not messing around.
That's awesome.
Oh, he's not this time.
Who are you raising?
A monster, apparently. I don't know.
That's awesome.
Stop posting.
Charlie coming in hot. Go halfway at first, make sure the face isn't all weird. Flew through the face a little bit. It'd be beneficial if it was a little higher. Didn't quite make the landing.
Faster.
Faster, yeah, exactly. Yeah, I might reshape it a little bit more. Okay, we have the jump free face. Gonna try to make it to the downslope now. Oh, something broke. Huh. Not sure what it is though.
What did we break?
I don't know.
I'll trade you some skis.
I broke something though.
Yeah, something you hit real hard. My legs would explode if I did that. Back.
Back bogey? I'm thinking. I think it's that bogey.
Yeah, it's bent.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, right here.
Well, good thing I got like 6 spare.
With you?
No, but
Oh.
Was it bent or did it just twist?
huh.
Huh. What do you mean?
Yeah, all that building that jump and then.
That's the difficulty with this wet loose snow. Without hardening it up or like using really hard snow, the face like completely blew out when I hit it.
Oh.
Yeah. Otherwise, it would have, like, if the face didn't blow out, then it would have made the landing no problem.
I can't believe you hit it that hard. Well, it's different in person. I was just saying to him, the internet's saturated with like super good athletes, and the videos don't do it. Like, something gets lost, and then you see it in person. It's like, holy shit.
Well, that's like hills though too. Like you hit the stuff that we were hitting yesterday, and you go back and look at the video, and it's like, well, that looks like a little bunny hill.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
I could do that, right?
Yeah.
Anyway, we can straighten that. Like, what?
Well, my back wheels are all bent, so no more jumping. But here comes Charlie. Here he comes again. Woo-hoo. Well, that was fun. Did, I think, 3 jumps and then the back wheels got all bent up. Probably could do like a backcountry 6, but we were gonna do a shorter day anyway, so just gonna limp it out. Go look at the nice viewpoint up here. So nice, eh?
Oh, beautiful.
Summer down in Revelstoke. Haha! It is super cool that Cody has his son Charlie out here. Very, very cool. The nice part about spring days too, you can have a short day and still have fun. Still got up on the mountain. Everybody else in the group is headed back to Alberta, so they got a little bit of a drive back. Woo-hoo-hoo! That was awesome. Picking up some random garbage. Just tucking some garbage away. Well, bye for now there, Frisby. That is always an amazing view. Well, the rear wheels made it all the way down to the bottom here, and that was a fun day. Yeah, all loaded up. And about to go paddleboarding with my girlfriend down lower in the valley now. Thanks for watching this Mountain Standard Time episode. New upload every Thursday at 1:16 Mountain Standard Time. Woo!